There was a bird in the night, and then he was singing and thanks. Oh, and the hawk didn't want to take the bird to bed. Then he told him to be quiet, and then. But the bird came back, and I don't know why. He came back, and he started to cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Dun, 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 dun. Then I could put him inside of the box, and I can give it away for Robux. And the train on then he got alone. But the bird came back. I don't know why. It starts going again. Cheep, 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 cheep. More. But then I could put him inside the bag and throw it to the boat. Then he will live in the boat. How about the names of the brands? But the bird came back again. I don't know why. And he starts again, again, and again. Cheep, 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 cheep. More? How about more? How about more? The news said a boat sank in the Pacific Ocean of the stone, and then there still is a bird here, and then it still has a bird. But the bird came back, and I don't know why. And he, cheep, cheep, cheep. More, more, more. The bird. Then I sent to the bird into rocket, and last the and then oh, I don't know why. I don't know why. The bird came back, and I don't know why. And then it came, cheep, cheep. Then he never came back. James, night.